VisualDispatch. This is the heart of our operations. This is generally used with a 2-monitor configuration. The screen on the left displays all the information a dispatcher needs to know. A list of unallocated jobs pop up on the bucket he needs to look at. On the right section he can see all available resources and runs available. An easy visual display shows the user the times each resource is available. The views that the user can get are daily, weekly, a 7-day week, a month and a sliding time scale from the current time. The views are very similar to a calendar view, and the user can see the amount of work and the schedule of each resource quickly. On the right screen is a linked map view, that shows the same information on the right more visually on a map. The map drills down to a block level and detail. The map will display the same information that is chosen on the left window in real time. The same happens when something is done on the map. Both windows are synced in real time. We can look up all out resource positions, where they are and all the jobs that they can do. These jobs are called unallocated jobs. Mapping tools allow us to look at resource positions, the distance and drive time to any job. This happens in real time very quickly, giving the dispatcher a tool to make very quick decisions. The system can work in fully automated config, where the system will allocate jobs as they are booked automatically, and schedule them to their resources after optimization. Here it will take a number of parameters, such as the geography of the job, the time window it can be done in, the skill or the capacity of the resource. It then tries to match a resource to do this job on that particular time. If the job fails all rules, it will lie as an unallocated job for the dispatcher to look at, and give it someone. Giving a job manually is easy. Just drag and drop onto a resource schedule. Note that the map shows this information visually. After manual allocation, the user can then optimize the schedule. The system will then calculate and rearrange the jobs, allowing enough time to complete each job and travel time. Unallocation is as easy as manual allocation. Just select and unallocate. Notice the maps now show these jobs as available for allocation again. The other way to allocate manually is through the map. Here the resource is identified and jobs near him that we can give him. We then simply select the jobs and add them to his schedule. This is a simple select and click process. The system may throw up a warning to alert the dispatcher if he is breaking a business rule. The user can override this though. Once the allocation is complete, we can save this to show up on the dispatch screen and re-optimize his route. Notice the system has allocated him the work on all jobs on different days as and when they needed to be done. In a high-volume environment, however, the system allocates jobs automatically. We can also run this process manually, call the auto-scheduler. The auto-scheduler shows all jobs that can be scheduled in a period, and the number of resources available to take these jobs. We can club this information by grouping them on any of the available columns. Simply drag the column above and group the information. Select some or all jobs to be auto-scheduled. Once selected, the jobs can be run through the scheduler and scheduled. These would come on the dispatch screen to the resources automatically with their routes optimized. It is very easy to schedule, dispatch and optimize jobs in TS. Thank you for taking the time to look at this section. Please see the planning tool section after this.